Hello guys, Project Night All here again. Today is a special day because I just ordered my new 3D printer, which I will be unboxing in this video. I finally decided to buy my own 3D printer because there were so many occasions where I could use 3D printer, but I just didn't have it for so many fixing stuff, for some budgets, I don't know, for some phone holders, tablet holders, for screws, for just many applications. And so I finally ordered my own 3D printer. So the thing is, I ordered the brand Creality. I was deciding between Prusa and Creality, but after reading some reviews, talking to some people, some said that Prusa is slightly better at printing, but Creality is much cheaper and it also provides great performance per value. So I didn't order the cheapest Creality, but I ordered the Pro version, which costs around 500 euros. But in my opinion will be great decision. I don't know it yet, so tell me what do you think down in the comments. If I'm totally newbie, I don't know. So yeah, so see you in the few days.
3 days later.
Like you see, we have two packages. This one is plastic filament, about 2.5 kilos, and we have 3D printer. The mass of the package was also weighted, and it weighed around 17 kilograms. So let's begin with the unboxing. We will first unbox the 3D printer. As you can see, I laid it down, so let's begin. As you can see, the 3D printer comes very well secured inside the package. So let's continue the unboxing. We get this Creality invitation, be the next customer of Creality Cloud, which is sponsorship. This is after sales service card with warranty. We get the user manual. Just a second. We got original filament from Creality. Here we have one box. Let me see what's inside this box. We get screwdrivers and some supporting stuff. We got power supply cable. I don't know yet what this is, but it's definitely used for something. And some more nuts, cables. I guess this is for cleaning the plastic from the plate, and extruder pipe. So yeah, that's it for this box. And now let's begin unboxing the main part, which is 3D printer itself. I think it's really well packed in, so I will have to be careful. Because it was so tight packed in, I had to cut the box. This is the bottom part, so we don't have to turn any way around. We just take this shielding parts off. I will be careful with upper part of the printer, and we will lay it down here. Here is the bottom part of 3D printer. You can see it's quite big. I would say it's around half meter. It's pretty heavy too, so after going through manual, I saw that manual is really well written. It's really simple and very well explained. On the first page we can see the structure of 3D printer. You can see all the parts and all the specifications here, from the printing volume to everything. So now here are all the general tools and that we will need, and they are provided. I think we only need our own pliers. Everything else is provided, and so let's start with assembling. As you can see on the first page, we need to tighten down frame to bed with M5 screws. So let's do that. These are M5 screws. We must turn the frame so that the fan exhaust faces the touchscreen. We must be very careful because there are ports on each side, and we need to first put one side down and insert it, and then the other. After we have it down, we need to tighten it up with the screws. Perhaps the best way is to put the screw on the input key and then put it from the downside up and screw it in. Once the frame has been screwed on the bed level, we need to also screw in the filament holder installation. We also need the nut, which is right beside the screws, you can see here. We take this nut off and put it through this holder and screw nut back on like this. Now it's tightly firmed. It's a little bit hard because you have to turn the nut in the right position so it grabs hold onto the frame. You can do it with this little screwdriver, which is also in the tool set, and use the M4 screw key. I will also do it from the other side. Once the holder was installed, we can begin by adjusting the X-axis with this tool on each side. With this. Once the X-axis was adjusted, we need to connect all the cables, which you can see here, here and here. When this is done, we will plug the supply cable into the power slot. One side is down, now the other side. After some hard work, I figured out that I can actually push the bed level all the way outside, and that way I don't have to deal with hard plugging in the cable. And I think we are done with the cables. The only one on the last 2 pages we have all the screen information that we have on the touch screen of the Creality printer, and then on the last side we have how to load the filament. Because this video is quite long, we will continue in part 2, where I will be setting up the filament, turning on the printer, and also printing my first test product. So if you like the first video of unboxing this great Creality printer, please smash that like button, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.